Multitasking on a laptop can be challenging at times, with small single screens and touchpad inputs. Well, say hello to the machine that ends all of that, the Asus ZenBook Duo 14. The most unique innovation on this laptop is the second screen, situated right above the keyboard. Its 7-degree auto tilt design provides a better viewing experience. The secondary display allows you to place two windows side by side at full width, or expand a program onto it for convenient controls. Performance is handled by 11th Gen Intel processor options up to an i7 for high-end performance. Also allows for hardware-accelerated performance in intensive apps like Photoshop and Premiere. And all this performance comes in a highly portable package at just 16.9mm thin and weighing 1.6 kilos, so it's easy to take your work on the go. The Asus ZenBook Duo 14's secondary screen makes it the perfect laptop for creative professionals. It's easy to imagine using it for scrolling across the timeline in your favourite video editing software, sketching details on the screen pad while viewing the full picture on the main screen, or mixing audio on the lower display while viewing all your tracks on the upper one. Asus's unique set of features on this laptop put it at the forefront of portable machines for creatives. So if you're an artist with a need to work on the go, the ZenBook Duo 14 is definitely worth a look.